How to customize notifications for storm and rain alerts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to customize notifications for storm and rain alerts. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the AccuWeather application on your mobile device. Now when you are on the app, tap the menu icon and select Settings. Now simply select Manage Notifications. For the AccuWeather alerts, you need to have the premium subscription, so you can simply explore premium and upgrade to a better weather experience. Aside AccuWeather alerts, you can simply turn on the lightning alerts, weather news, or government alerts for free. You can adjust your notification preferences. For example, choose push notifications or sound. So this is how to customize notifications for storm and rain alerts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.